Today I will decorate my Curio from thrifted items that I have shopped around my home to decorate with. There is also something that was not bought at a thrift store, and it's my clock. It was bought from Rose's years ago, and I have one DIY that I've did, oh my goodness, maybe 10 years ago, and it gets better as it chips. Now let me show you the other items we will be decorating with. I'll use the smaller bird cage. I have two. One is large and one is small. And it closes also. Okay. I'll use these saucers inside the cabinet. Remember, all of these are thrift items except the two that I showed you, the clock and the picture. I like these plates for summertime. Some plates and these saucers. And I believe I have two of the apple cups. And then what is before you? I thrifted this vase, this beautiful candle holder. It came in a pair. This lamp, it has details around it. You would have to, far away you can tell something is going on, but it piques your interest and sends you to see what it is. And it goes all around the base and the top lining of this lamp. And this vase here is a bowl and pitcher set. And these are real flowers. I got the roots growing so I can plant them. If you're interested, continue to watch as I decorate. And I may change a few things around also. Stay tuned. I'm going to use this to clean with. Okay, stay tuned. I'll start with this picture. Then I'll put these two plates. Isn't those colors beautiful for this time of year, for summer? Okay. Then we'll put these two on the other side of the white picture. Let's go to the next shaft. The next shaft, this plate and the two candle holders. And now we'll do the top of the Curio. The lamp is in place. And next comes this plate. I changed it from the picture that I originally showed you. Isn't that beautiful? It's going to be a simple decorating of this curio. Now we will place the bird cage. Oh yeah, I like that much better. And we'll put the flowers, because we have the blue on the bottom and the rest of the home. We're going to leave it open. And place the flowers. Now that says summer. Thank you all for being here. If you just take a few more minutes and see how it all turned out.